If TeamViewer shows not ready, check your connection. It usually means the app can't reach the internet or its servers. Yeah, it can be annoying, especially when you need remote access quickly. But the good news is, this problem is usually easy to fix. So in this quick guide, I'll show you several solutions that often resolve it in just a few minutes. First, make sure your computer is actually connected to the internet. Sometimes the connection drops for a moment and TeamViewer can't reconnect automatically. Open a browser and try loading any website to confirm the network is working. Next, restart TeamViewer completely. Temporary glitches in the application can prevent it from connecting to the TeamViewer network. Just close the program, wait a few seconds, and then open it again. If the issue continues, try restarting your router. Network routing problems or temporary ISP issues can block the connection to TeamViewer servers. Just unplug the router, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Another common cause is your firewall or antivirus blocking TeamViewer. You'll want to make sure the app is allowed through your firewall so it can communicate with the internet. Running an outdated version can also cause connection issues, so open the Help menu inside TeamViewer and check for updates. Installing the latest version often fixes server communication problems. One more thing you can try is restarting the TeamViewer service in Windows. This refreshes the background process that handles remote connections. And that's it. One of these quick fixes usually resolves the not ready check your connection error in TeamViewer. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.